Hi everyone, welcome back to the craft room, and this is a what did I get, a mixture of some sales, Christmas and some prizes. So this, we'll start, let me push that to that side. We start here. This is a Coca Rosa, I think. Yeah, Coca Rosa die. I watch Iced Images every Tuesday. Same as I watch Sam every Wednesday and Friday. They make more kinetic cards, fancy folds, that sort of thing. Not something I make a lot of, but I just love watching and seeing what they make, regardless of whether I'm going to make it. I still like it. I still like watching those guys craft. And they're live, and it's just nice to feel like you're with someone, really. Anyway, she did a Christmas live, and I won a little prize. So I won this Coca Rosa die. I won these, which I'm not sure. It does say stickers, but I can't work out whether that's going to come off or not. Anyway, so there's chocolate, which is lots of cakes and things, and then there's this one as well, sticker. That is stickers with cakes and donuts and things, which I probably use to put on envelopes and things. I've got 2 ink pads, Rusty Hinge and Saltwater Taffy. I also popped this in my basket. Those were Christmas. I won't tell you which is which. I'll just go through them all. But I thought I'd pop this in my basket. No line stamp. Now, I think that it's going to be okay for alcohol markers. It doesn't sort of say, just says dries quickly. I don't know whether it's just a very light coloured ink or whether it fades or what. So that'll be a bit of a test to see if it works with alcohol markers and to see what it actually does. So that will be interesting. Let's grab the first few of these. We've got this fisherman. I don't know many fishermen, but I do like colouring. So I thought, like the lumberjack, which was also C&C Designs, I think. Nice one to colour. Honeybee, called Queen Bee, comes with some dies. Didn't cost that. Very cheap in the sale. Some nice little sentiments on there. Happy birthday, long live Queen Bee to my queen. Happy Mother's Day. Kindness makes everything sweeter. Nice little sentiments. They've all got dies as well to cut the sentiments out, which is cool. And we've got this little Queen Bee image there. Your next stamp, we've got Crash the horse. I just thought he was quite cute. Oh, that comes with dies as well. A die. I think it's just the horse. Yeah. Stamps and dies again. Your next stamp, just for you. Happy stay at home and do nothing day. I thought that was quite cool. Happy shop online day. I like that as well. And we've got a little cat. He could be holding the gift card or the present. And then we've got flowers, box and cake. Shine Bright Whimsy stamps. Is that called Shine Bright? Reindeer Games, Shine Bright. Christmas. No. So Whimsy stamps, Southern Cowbell. Don't go pitching no hissy fit. Well, aren't you precious? Hush your mouth, I do declare. Show enough. Why? Bless your heart. Can you believe that? I'll tell you what, honey, if you ask me, she's done plumb crazy like that. The cheese done slid off her cracker like that as well. She's 4 cents short of a nickel. The cornbread ain't done in the middle, so I liked her. Then we've got some Spellbinders mice stamps. Sweet birthday, and you also get some sentiments. You're never too old for birthday cake. Cake it easy, like that. Wishing you a sweet birthday. With the little mouse eating the cake. That cake looks really nice. We've got Top Notch Birthday. And hope you have a top notch birthday. Blow out the candles and make a wish. You're at the top of my birthday list. So, quite sweet. And we've got birthday wishes, which says we're not counting candles. Birthday calories don't count. Delivering birthday wishes and make a wish. We've got some Stampin' Bellas. Darlie, wishing you a weird and wonderful day. I'm not strange, I'm just not normal. Have no fear of perfection, you'll never reach it. So I thought he was quite cool, I like him. And we've got Coco Chanel. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Classy and fabulous, have a fabulous day. And we got Coco there with her perfume, but we could change that to anything, I guess. Oddball Farm Animal Set. So we've got our horse, cow and pig. Look at his face. We've got Little Owl Trio. So there's the 3 owls. We've got Oddball Marilyn. We're all of us stars and we deserve to twinkle. She is lovely. I love her. And Happy Tales. With all these dogs piled on top of each other. A lot smaller than I thought it was. Art impressions. This was one of the Christmas gifts as well. And my sister said to me, that's way smaller than I expected it to be. So, but it's still very sweet. It'd be nice if it was, Anyway, it is what it is. I also got the new Peanuts ones. Sending warm hugs on a wintry day. You get 3 dies and 5 dies and 5 stamps. So this is 2 dies and that's the die. So 3, 4, 5 dies and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamps. And then we've got this one. They don't give them names. So we've got Charlie Brown making a big snowball, Snoops and Woodstock sledding in a dog bowl. Got a little ski lift going on here. These guys throwing snowballs in this guy, which we could do. We don't have to do him as Christmas. We could do him putting a candle on a cake, couldn't we? Chasing snowflakes. Friends are so much fun. Catch my drift. Let it snow. 13 stamps, 9 dies. And then this one, Time to Get Cozy. With the guys in there. A lack of marshmallows and loose with loads of marshmallows. Keep looking up, that's the secret of life. And this one, Stay Warm. We could do that without the snowflake, him without his hat. And we've got a summer stamp. 7 stamps, 9 dies. And I also, as a present, got some cardstock. Lime Tree Crafts. A4 Smooth White 300. I normally get the UK Craft UK. I don't know which way around it is. So I haven't tried just their smooth. So we're going to see what that's like. I'm sure it'll be lovely because Lime Tree Craft stuff normally is. So we'll see what the colour looks like compared to the In fact, we could do that now if we like. This is the let's open this. This is the Craft UK, and that's the lime tree. And to be fair, slightly different in colour, but that's all. Very slight difference in colour. So yeah, we'll see how it stamps and stuff. I'm sure it'll be absolutely lovely. So that's it. Nice stash of sale. The sale was dies to die for. Like I say, the gift, these were the prize and some Christmas gifts. So another one where I've done really well. Looking forward to using it. And the only other thing I've got coming as far as me buying stuff is the Spellbinders sale stuff that I've just put an order in for. And then that's it until the next sale, which will probably be a Sizzix summer one. But I've got plenty to be going on with. So that's it for this time. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you for a regular card tomorrow. Okay, bye.